concrete driveway addition here in Lafayette, Colorado. This is Dad's Diversified and another patio and home improvement. Thanks for tuning in. We just wanted to share with you one of our projects. We're installing approximately 220 square feet of standard gray concrete, and we're making this addition to the driveway as well as a sidewalk pathway to the backyard up to the gate. We're starting the concrete right here at the stake. It'll go approximately 33 feet, and all the way to the driveway we'll dowel and drill rebar, attach rebar to the existing concrete. And then we'll install wire mesh on top of that. Also put a thin layer of road base before we pour the concrete. We're just finishing up our forms up to the gate here. And then this stake right here will be our line all the way to the end of the driveway there. Right at the diagonal. So, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time when we finish the concrete addition to the driveway. This is Damon with Dad's Diversified and Patio and Home Improvement Design. Make sure you take a couple minutes and visit our website. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment box. And if you like the video and it helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time from Lafayette, Colorado.